Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple case study on rubrics. I mean how we are going to use rubrics in Moodle. So I am already in a assignment assessment. So there is a question like write a Python program to add two numbers. So we just need to jump on to the grade level and we have to put on the maximum grade. So I put 5, and then what we have to do, we have to choose the grading method. By default it will be selected as simple grading method, but we need to choose rubrics, and then we need to click on save and display. So when we do that, you can see now it is asking us to define a new rubrics to grade student assessment. So we are going to click on define new rubrics, and then we are going to name it as like a new rubrics. You can, if you want, you can put some description, but I am skipping it and I am moving on to the rubrics. So here what we have to do actually to create a rubrics to assess the student performance. So first of all we have to mention the criteria and then the label against the criteria. So I have used to prepare a sheet of rubrics, so where I kept 3 criteria named as syntax and completeness, logic and correctness, and there are 3 label against the 3 criteria like advanced, proficient and beginner. So like against the syntax and completeness criteria, if I found some students program is compiled properly without any syntax error, then it is considered as advanced level, that is the student going to get 5. If I found the program compiled but there is some syntax error, then it is proficient, that is the student going to get 3. Or if the program does not compile at all or error loading to undefined names, then it is beginner level, then I will consider as giving on, and so on. There is some description against the logic and correctness criteria as well. So what I am going to do, I am just going to follow all those things and put it into our model to create a new rubrics. So first of all, the syntax and correctness. So first of all we have to put on the criteria here, and then the label description. So first of all the advanced level description and the point against it. So the points again at advanced level is 5, so I put it as 5. So here you can see the first level is actually prepared. So in the similar way I will put the second level and third level as well, and against the level I will put the marks set. So as you can see, my first criteria is ready with its corresponding level and grades, and now in the similar fashion I am going to add the remaining criteria, that is there is 2 remaining criteria, and then I will come back again. So as you can see our rubrics is ready, and now you can scroll down and can read these conditions. If you want you can put it or you can remove it. Like if you want to add another column and put remarks again all the criteria, then you can put it as checked or you can put it as unchecked. So what are we going to do, just save the rubrics and make it ready. So now our rubrics is ready. So whenever a student submit his performance, then we can actually assess his or her performance against our rubrics. Suppose on student already submitted, so what we gonna do, we just click on to view all submission, then we can see the students and the response of the students. So here you can see the add to number, the program is correct. So now I am going to grade it, and when we click on to grade, you can see the rubrics we have prepared, and also you can put the remarks. So as I found the student performance is okay, his actually feedback is very much complete, very much logical, and also there is some fully correctness. So I will give the student 5 in all the criteria. So and then click on to save. So when I click on to save, you can see the overall grade or overall point of this students is 5. So that's how the rubrics thing work. Whenever we prepared a rubrics and a student submitted his performance for assessment, we can assess against the rubrics that we have prepared. So it is pretty much easier to actually assess, and in the other side students also can see the rubrics and what he or she get, and it is become very clear to the students that why he get 5 or why he get 3 and so on. So that is all. Everyone stay safe, goodbye.